New era of enterprise productivity with Notate for Citrix Customers. In today's fast-paced business environment, enterprises need to constantly find ways to enhance productivity, streamline workflows, and drive efficiency. This is where Notate for Citrix Customers comes in, offering a new era of productivity tools that can revolutionize the way businesses operate. What is Notate for Citrix Customers? Notate is a powerful software integration that seamlessly integrates with Citrix Workspace, offering a wide range of collaboration tools and business efficiency features. Notate, companies can leverage the power of cloud computing to enhance remote work capabilities, streamline workforce management, and drive digital transformation in the workplace. Key features of Notate for Citrix Customers. Virtual Workspace. Notate provides a virtual workspace where teams can collaborate in real time, share documents, and communicate seamlessly. Document management. Notate offers robust document management capabilities, allowing teams to organize, store, and access files securely. Task management. Notate helps teams stay on top of their tasks, set priorities, and track deadlines effectively. How Notate enhances work productivity. By leveraging the features of Notate for Citrix Customers, businesses can significantly boost their work productivity. The software enables teams to collaborate more effectively, communicate seamlessly, and streamline workflows for maximum efficiency. The benefits of using Notate in the modern workplace. Some of the key advantages include: improved collaboration. Notate provides a centralized platform for teams to collaborate, share information, and work together on projects. Enhanced communication. With real-time messaging and commenting features, Notate enables teams to communicate effectively and stay informed. Increased efficiency. By reducing manual tasks and eliminating bottlenecks, Notate helps businesses operate more efficiently and achieve better results. Conclusion. In conclusion, Notate for Citrix Customers offers a new era of enterprise productivity that can transform the way businesses operate. By leveraging the power of collaboration tools, software integration, and cloud computing, Notate enables companies to streamline workflows, enhance efficiency, and drive innovation in the workplace.